Welcome students. Today we are going to learn about the sentences and type of sentences in this session. So exactly what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. A group of words which make a complete sense means such group of words which convey a proper idea or which convey a complete thought, that is called a sentence. Means such group of words whose meaning is complete, that is called a sentence. Suppose we take the examples here. That is the blue sky. Is the blue sky. So this group of words is not called a sentence. This is not a sentence because it doesn't convey a complete thought. So if we arrange this group of words, like the sky is blue, this group of words is called a sentence because from the sentence we get to know that it's talking about color. So it convey a idea that sky is blue. So this group of words which convey a complete thought or complete idea, that's called a sentence. So there are some characteristics of a sentences. First of all, the first main characteristic of a sentence is that it convey a complete thought. It will convey a complete idea or thought. Then second characteristic of a sentence is that it contain a contain a subject and a verb. The second properties or second characteristic of a sentence that it has a subject plus verb combination. But in some sentences there is no subject. Here the example number 4, that turn off the televisions. In this sentence we see that there is no subject. There is no subject. It means that here the subject is understable. The subject is understable means the subject will be here. The subject here, it will be you. You turn off the television. Means this you is implied here. You is implied here. Either there is no subject, then also we have to understand that there is a subject. The subject is implied. That is you. You turn off the television. The third characteristic of a sentence is that it convey meaning. It convey a meaning. So each sentence convey a different meaning based upon their different expression. So here there's some examples are here. Delhi is the capital of India. Delhi is the capital of India. This is a sentence, a proper sentence. So here this group of words here, the group of words here express a statement. It expresses a statement. Now we can see the second example. When did you go to Mumbai? So this group of words ask a questions. It's asking a questions. So it is a question sentence. Number third, how beautiful the sunset scene was. This group of words express a surprise emotion. That how beautiful. It's talking about the sunset. That sunset was very beautiful. Now the fourth example, turn off the television. So as already discussed about that, turn off the television here. This group of word is expressing a command. It's expressing a command that you turn off the television. And so here we discuss about this 4 example, and these 4 examples convey a different this 4 examples and 4 group of words convey a different meaning. So based upon that meaning, the sentences is divided into 4 parts. First part is assertive sentence. Second is interrogative sentence, third is imperative sentence, and fourth is exclamatory sentences. So here the number first, the assertive is also known as declarative sentence because it states something. We see here from the first example, Delhi is the capital of India. It states something. Number two, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentences usually ask a question, and it ends with the question mark. Okay, we are going to the second example. When did you go to Mumbai? This group of words ends with the question mark. Number third, that is the imperative sentence. It expresses a command, request, or advice. So this is the for example, turn off the television. Here it expresses a command. Number fourth, exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences express a strong emotion. It expresses strong emotions. We have seen in the example number third, how beautiful the sunset scene was. It generally this end with the exclamation mark. Here it is an exclamation mark. It ends with the exclamation marks or exclamatory marks. Now, a sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, a question mark, or a mark of exclamations. We had already seen in the example that our first sentence, assertive sentence, it ends with a full stop or a period. The second, it's end with a question mark, and the third sentence is end with the exclamation mark, and also the fourth sentence it's end with the period, that is the full stop. Now, one by one, we will discuss about the four types of sentences. So, the first kind of sentence, that is the assertive sentences. And assertive sentences is also known as declaration or declarative sentences. And assertive sentences says or states something, state something about a particular person, place, or thing, and it's end with a full stop. It's end with a full stop. So here we'll see some example here. Now, the first example is Gandhiji is the father of our nation. Gandhiji is the father of our nation. Here, it's conveying a statement about Gandhiji, that Gandhiji is the father of our nation. The second example, Madurai is a temple city. It's providing a information about a city, Madurai, that Madurai is a temple city. Number third example, he walks every morning. He walks every morning. Here in this group of words, that is assertive sentence, this sentence convey the information about a person, that about his habits, that he used to walks every morning. It convey a fact information. Number four, the sun rises in the east. So here this example is a very nice example. The sun rises in the east. So this sentence or this group of words, which is an assertive sentence, because it gave a universal, information that is a universal truth. That is a universal truth that the sun rises in the east. So it's giving a universal truth, a universal facts that the sun rises in the east. Number fourth example, William Shakespeare wrote the Tempest. William Shakespeare wrote the Tempest. Means this sentence is conveying a information, information or a statement that the Tempest is written by William. It's written by William Shakespeare. So this sentence is expressing a statement. So this is an assertive sentence. So here we have seen some examples of the assertive sentence, and we have to understand the assertive sentences. Now, assertive sentences is also the assertive sentence is divided into two parts. The first part is affirmative, and the second part is negative. Means the assertive sentence is divided into two parts. The positive, affirmative or positive, and the second part is negative. So there are two kind of sentences in the assertive sentences. We'll see some example here. He completed his homework. He completed his homework means it gave a information, a positive information about a person that he has completed his homework. The second example we'll see here. He did not complete his homework. He did not complete his homework means it is conveying a negative information about someone, that he has not completed his homework. So the first one is the first one will be will be a affirmative sentence, and the second one it will be a negative assertive sentences. Negative adjective sentences. Now we'll see some next example. Kareem lives in India. Kareem lives in India. So this will also be will be in a positive sense that Kareem lives in India. It's revealing a positive information about someone that he is living in, that he lives in India. The second example, Kareem does not live in India. Kareem does not live in India. Here this is here it's just this sentence give a negative information about a person that he doesn't live in India. And so here we have seen the two type of assertive sentences. The first is affirmative and the second is negative means the assertive sentence can be of two means can be written in a two ways. The first way is it can be a positive sentence, and the second it can be a negative sentence. Now let's move to another sentences, that is an interrogative sentence. So what is an interrogative sentence? An interrogative sentence is a sentence that asks a question. That it asks a question and it ends with a question marks. It ends with a question mark. So if a sentence is asking a questions and it ends with a question mark, then it is an interrogative. Then it is an interrogative sentence. And interrogative sentences can be divided into two parts. That is, the first part is yes or no question, yes or no question, and the second is question word, that is the WH question. That is a WH question. The first part is yes no question and the second part is WH question. So here in the first part, yes no questions, we take example. Is it raining? Is it raining? So the answer can be yes or no. The possibility can be yes or no. So if we give the answer yes and no, it belongs to yes no questions. And the second type, WH questions, the examples here, why are you bored? Means asking about why are you getting bored. So it is a WH question because it start with a WH question. Here some examples are, where do you study? Why are you not interested? Do you like to eat apples? Have you watched the movies? Did you make a plan? So the first example, where did you stay? It's in with the question marks. It's in with the question marks and it's asking that where are you staying? Where are you staying? The second example, why are you not interested? Why are you not interested means asking that why are you not interested about something. And so this where do you stay and why are you not interested, this two are WH question. These two are WH question. WH question. Do you like to eat apple? Number third, do you like to eat apples? Do you like to eat apples? The answer can be yes or no. That a person either can like the apple or doesn't like the apple. Fourth example, have you watched the movie? Have you watched the movie? In this question also, the answer can be yes or no. Either the person have watched that movie or that person has not watched the movie. So this from the third example and fourth example, third and fourth example is a yes or no question. It's a yes or no question. Yes or no question. So in the interrogative sentences, we see that such sentences that ask a questions and end with a question mark, that is called a interrogative sentences. And interrogative sentences are of two types, that is yes no questions and WH question. And we have also seen examples. Now let's move to number third kind of sentence, that is imperative sentences. What is an imperative sentences? An imperative sentences express a command, that is order, a request or an advice. So such sentence which express a strong which expresses a command, request, or an advice is called an imperative sentences. This in kind of the imperative sentence usually ends with a full stop. It's in with a full stop. Imperative sentence. It's in with a full stop. You can see here in examples we can see the also in imperative sentence the expressions are different types like command, request, and advice. So the first expression, that is, it expresses a command. The example here are clean your room, shut the front door, go away. So in this three sentences, we see that it's that someone is giving a command, that someone is giving an order that you go and shut the front door, that you go away. Clean your room means an order is given to somebody that clean your room, you will shut the door and you go away. So this such sentences which express a command, that is called an imperative sentences. Now here we can see another group of words. Here, bring me a glass of water. Second example, please close the window. So bring me a glass of water and please close the window. This type of sentences, it express a request. It express a request. And somebody is requesting that please bring a glass of water or please close the window. So this type of sentence which express a request, it's also a imperative sentences. Now the third group of words, always remain cool, always remain cool, always remain cool. Then second, don't eat junk food. Don't eat junk food means don't eat junk food means somebody is giving advice to somebody that that don't eat junk food. And the first example, always remain cool means these two sentences express a sense that somebody is giving a advice to somebody. So we have seen the part of imperative sentence. So the imperative sentences express a command, request, or an advice. The fourth is the exclamatory sentence. The fourth is the exclamatory sentence. So what is an exclamatory sentence? An exclamatory sentence expresses some strong feelings such as surprise, wonder, pity, happiness, or gratitude. An exclamatory sentences are those sentences which express a strong feelings. When you have a strong feelings or when you want to express your some happiness or gratitude, that we make a use of exclamatory sentences. An exclamatory sentence usually ends with an exclamation marks. An exclamation marks means here it is an exclamation marks. It ends with the exclamation mark. I will see some example. Number one example, oh, we lose it. Hooray, our cricket team has won the series. What a beautiful house. I hate you. So here we have seen some, in this example, some are already the exclamatory words like oh, hooray, these are exclamatory words. So if you get an exclamatory words, then it is obviously an exclamatory sentence. Number third, what a beautiful house. What a beautiful house. This sentence expresses a sudden feeling of a surprise, that getting surprised by seeing such a beautiful house. It expresses a strong feeling of a surprise. What a beautiful house. And next example, I hate you. Here, I hate you. This sentence express a feeling of hatred, or express a feeling of angriness. So it is a strong feeling that I hate you. So this type of sentences which express a strong feelings, a surprise, wonder, happiness, is called exclamatory sentence. So we have discussed the four type of sentence. Hope you have understood. Please go through the video twice so that you can clear your concept about this chapter sentences. So have a nice day.